This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. The home features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The home has a family room with vaulted ceiling. The home has a kitchen, dining area and laundry room. Call today and schedule your private viewing of this lovely home. HUD home sold as is. HUD case #105 to 367,335. Visit www.hudhomestore.com for additional property information. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.